This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Coolant renewal. Pull the bonnet release lever located in the driver's footwell. Release the bonnet secondary catch and raise the bonnet. Unclip the bonnet prop and engage the prop to hold the bonnet open. Check that the handbrake is fully on. Chock the rear wheels. Position a jack under the vehicle. Raise the vehicle and support it on axle stands. Lower the vehicle onto the stands and remove the jack. Note the location of the transmission undertray. Undo the screws and remove the transmission undertray from the vehicle. Remove all the fasteners as shown, then lower the front undertray and remove it from the vehicle. To drain the cooling system, first cover the expansion tank cap with a wad of rag and slowly turn the cap anti-clockwise and remove it. The coolant drain plug is located at the bottom of the radiator on the right-hand side. Position a suitable drain container beneath the radiator. Fit a piece of hose to the drain tap, then unscrew the drain plug and allow the coolant to drain into the container. When the flow of coolant stops, and tighten the drain plug. Remove the piece of hose from the drain tap, then remove the drain container from beneath the vehicle. Place the front undertray back into position underneath the vehicle, then secure it in place with the fasteners. Fit the transmission undertray back into position and secure it in place with the screws. Position a jack under the vehicle and raise it. Remove the axle stands, then lower the vehicle to the ground. Remove the jack, then remove the chocks from the rear wheels. Working in the engine compartment, fill the system by slowly pouring the coolant into the expansion tank until it is up to the filler neck. Unclip the wiring harness and open the bleed screw at the upper left-hand side of the radiator. As soon as coolant begins to run from the radiator bleed screw, close the screw. Reclip the wiring harness back into position. Remove the bonnet prop from the bonnet and secure the prop in its stay. Close the bonnet.